ヘビー
Hope you enjoy watching DiscoverJOY.
I'm going to scrap a broken induction cooking heater and sell it. I'll also be taking the air conditioner and TV that I scrapped in number 7. When take apart, it is separated into iron, copper, brass, stainless steel, aluminum, plastic, cords, circuit boards, etc. Put on gloves and let's tear down this monster. Stuff like this? Yeah, I'm saving it for later, just in case. When disassembly gets tricky, the hammer becomes the solution. Might need the switch later, so I'll hang on to it. It would be nice if this top glass could be used for a fireplace, but it seems that it can't be used because it has a low heat resistance. Dang it.
Ooh.
Here we go. You see it's a copper turntable. Separate into plastic, cord, circuit board and copper. Disassembling things feels oddly nice. Maybe it's the joy of recycling, or maybe it's the thrill of a treasure hunt. Separate the fan motor from the plastic. Watch out.
Oh! Ooh.
Ouch, I got hit in the nuts. Pretty light. This outlet is for 200 volts, so I'll keep it. Let's pack it all. Yes, screw saving. Screws are DIY gold. Let's collect them. Isn't it beauty or what? Is it aluminum?
Heavy.
This doesn't stick to a magnet, probably aluminum. But this one does, so it's just plain iron. Aluminum and stainless steel would be nice, but it seems to be mostly iron. all packed up, off to sell. Here we are, arrived at scrapyard. The circuit board and cables go on the scale first. If you bring the TV as it is, you'll have to pay. But if you take it apart and bring it in pieces, you can actually get paid. Nice, eh? TV scrap was a bit tough. For reference, you can see it in number 7. It seems they will also buy tires if they come with aluminum wheels. It's difficult to know what to do with tires, but I'm thinking of using them to make chicken nests. What do you think? Next is copper. The price is set at 1 kilogram or more depending on the type, so I'm worried about whether I have 1 kilogram. If it's less than 1 kilogram, I have to take it home. The price of copper varies depending on the thickness, etc. Looks like a compressor, maybe? He said, this is iron, and this is aluminum. Be aware that some companies only accept iron if it's over 100 kilograms, because loading and unloading is a hassle. Thank you for doing such detailed work, bro. I'm appreciated. This is stainless steel, he says. Maybe some gloves with this money. I can't even explain it. Just super happy, no matter the price.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Discover Joy.